Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can transfer money from Safepal to Cash App. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. The instructions to perform this task are written here. First of all, choose the crypto you want to transfer. Open the Safepal app and navigate to your assets list. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to Cash App. Convert your crypto to USD. There are two main options for converting your crypto to USD. Number 1. Exchange within Safepal. Safepal offers built-in exchange functionality. Select the exchange option within the chosen cryptocurrencies page. Choose Sell and select USD as the receiving currency. Enter the amount you want to convert and confirm the transaction. Number 2. External exchange platform. Alternatively, you can transfer your crypto to a crypto exchange platform that supports USD trading. Popular options include Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Once on the exchange platform, sell your crypto for USD and withdraw the funds to your linked bank account. Number 3. Transfer USD to Cash App. Once you have USD in your bank account, you can transfer it to your Cash App account using various methods like First one is linked bank account. Link your bank account to Cash App and initiate a transfer. This method usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Or by using debit card. Add your debit card to Cash App and use it to transfer funds instantly. Or you can contact other Cash App users. Send USD directly from another Cash App user to your account. This method is instant and free. And that's how you can transfer money from Safepal to Cash App. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.